The journey to Gorée Island starts in Dakar's downtown core, Plateau. This bustling cityscape offers a sharp juxtaposition with the island frozen in time. We enter the Gare Maritime or ferry station where the large boats will come every few hours to pick up passengers for the roughly 1-mile journey into Gorée Island. While we wait, we order food at a nearby restaurant. It is remarkably expensive at around $18 per plate for a local dish called mbakalu salum. Before long, the ferry arrives and we start our journey. As I look back at the growing skyline of Dakar, I marvel at how much the world has changed. 500 years ago, Portuguese slave traders found this beach, arrayed with Lebu warriors ready to defend their territory. Stiff military resistance made it difficult and dangerous for the slave traders to operate on the Senegalese mainland, forcing them to make their early camp at Gorée Island. Over time, Gorée grew to become an important European hub, specializing in the trafficking of enslaved people as well as goods like ivory and gold. As we draw closer to the island, I notice how remarkably similar it looks to Cape Verde, with vibrantly painted colonial-era sobrado buildings and tight cobblestone streets.
Ça, c'est les grands professionnels. Hein. Quels sont les guides? Hein? Vous voulez pas un guide, monsieur? Excusez-moi, monsieur. Vous voulez un guide pour la visite?
Non.
Ah, c'est intéressant avec l'appareil là, quand il y a ça, les gars ils vont te demander ce que tu vas faire. Hein? On peut le voir
The coolest thing about Gorée Island is that it is still fully inhabited, with around 1,680 permanent residents. The vast number of children here suggests healthy population growth, although the majority will likely seek their fortunes on the mainland. These students are inhabitants here.
Inhabitant of Gorée. It's a small city though.
Alors pour vous guider là.
No.
Not very big.
Send it to me. I don't have time to.
Not very big.
Yeah.
So after we can go to the slave house. Visit a lot of places.
Okay.
You can just make a tour.
When I called Gorée the island of beautiful women, I was mainly referring to the many diaspora tourists from France, but there actually is a historical basis for this reputation. By the 18th century, this island had become dominated by a group of black and mixed-race women known as the Seigneurs, who accumulated significant political and economic power through strategic relationships with white men. These relationships were often temporary, but they allowed these women to act as a cultural bridge between the two worlds. Eventually, they became the de facto ruling class of Gorée Island, and they used their power to build transatlantic business empires. owning slaves and even sponsoring slave raids on the mainland. Today, the seigneurs are remembered for their wealth, beauty, and elaborate clothing, which typically involved colorful silks and tall conical hats.
She is one of a few who still make the outfits worn by the seigneurs, powerful local women in Saint Louis and Gorée.
Many of their old mansions still stand on Gorée Island to this day. It's such a beautiful place.
Yeah.
You saying?
Not to film around here, just to stay here.
Oh, this is their living quarters. Okay. We take a look at how many villagers live on this island, the life behind the tourism.
Man nga visite na film bi. Gis naa ko ni filmé.
waaw day non foo ñu ko dafay laaj autorisation ba pare.
Pour filmer.
waaw
Ah visite waaye filmé benn bokk ci nag.
ah pas filmé. waaw. non bu bëgg kii xool nu ñuy dundee fii nii loolu war a bëgg a
ñu
filmé.
ngi nii di liggéey.
Yeah.
Xam nga lu ñuy dundee. Bokk ndey bokk baay maam benn far yàlla boole ñu jël.
Okay.
Wax ko.
You say that the way they're living is just like in a harmony and peaceful way. As you can see, they're actually working. So they're actually preparing food that they'll sell in the city. So it's a big family. They share the same dish, the same meal. There is a mixture of any ethnic, Jola, Wolof, a lot of different ethnic. They live in the same good community.
Yes.
Exactly, if you
It's an English speaker, yeah. So can I go in?
no, you can just stay here.
Okay, merci. Merci.
Like a market, or like African stuff.
Yeah. We're stopped by a local woman who wants to show us her products. I'm generally not a fan of tourist trinkets, but I have to be polite.
My shirt is here. Come on. Just to look. I have this one.
How much is this?
You choose what you like after I give you good price. No problem.
How much do you sell these things?
Take this one. I have this one.
No.
Wako mu tànn lu mu bëgg.
ñaata léegi nga koy jaay.
Waaw nekk da nga koy ne mu tànn lu mu bëgg ma defal ko prix global.
So you can
Am na
choose
li? Yes.
a lot of
I don't want to buy anything. I'm just.
No, day laajte rek jënd
Day
ko.
laajte donc.
Waaw.
I have this one.
This one bi ñaata?
Boobu 10,000 la rek.
This one is
I have this
10,000.
one.
10,000, yes.
Maybe later.
How much you wanna give? You
No.
bargain. It's African market. You bargain.
No, I want to finish. Je fais un travail.
Day liggéey nii après bu
Tell me your price.
Maintenant, je suis fait ma travail.
day liggéey.
Et tu caméra, tu fais, et tu parles, tu veux pas encourager.
Je ne suis pas un touriste, je suis un journaliste. Oui.
yaa ngi ci biir kumba. Kaja jëlal. Waa Kaja jëlal.
Wane faa mu def.
Journaliste la daa ko filmé kumba waa Kambi moom.
Tane ne man na togo da me so commencer me ko xara
Moom daa filmé kumba
What's she saying?
They're saying that you're not a buyer, you're just the journalist filming.
Yeah. Yeah.
Ils appellent Mara. C'est M-A-R-A. C'est un petit comme comment tu dis mon mot.
Ok, Mara.
Anything interesting on the side?
No, that's the view maybe.
Okay.
Okay, we can go after the house of slaves.
We look out at the Atlantic Ocean. This would have been the direction enslaved people went when they were trafficked to the New World.
comme Arafat nu mu ko yóbbee woon rek. Arafat dafa nekk dama lay fonk.
Let's go this way.
Check this out. Oh,